Hey, so this is my first unboxing video with Foxy Famous, and I received this box a week before. So here's the card which says hello and welcome. You are one of our first customers, and there is this bag from Daily Objects which is completely wonderful. The colors are very vibrant and it's written Foxy, be famous. Just take a look, guys. Bag is so amazing. When I was unboxing this, I did not know that this bag actually contained a lot of products. So I did a video afterwards. Now this is the Kajal from Cosmic in the shade black, and it retails for ₹99, enriched with aloe vera, jojoba oil, vitamin E. Now here comes the Lakme Absolute Arganol Serum Foundation with SPF 45. I will show you the container of the foundation. Just a minute, guys. I had a hard time opening this box. So here is the bottle. Just look how premium it looks. It's a very shiny golden color. I will show you the color, and it's a complete match actually for my skin tone. So that is it, guys. So here is the video where I am showing you what is inside this bag. Let's open it. So firstly we will see this lipstick from Sugar in the shade 02, Brink of Pink. I will show you the color afterwards. Here comes the Colorbar On The Go Makeup Remover Wipes. Here is the Kaya Daily Use Sunscreen SPF 30, and then it comes the sheet mask from the Face Shop, Rice Riz. Hey, so I'm showing you the Kajal from Cosmic in the shade black, and it retails for 99 rupees, enriched with aloe vera oil, jojoba oil, vitamin E, and it's 100% paraben free. Now it comes the Colorbar On The Go Makeup Remover Wipes, and it contains 10 wipes. This is Kaya Sun Defense Daily Use Sunscreen SPF 30, and this is the foundation from Lakme SPF 45. It contains arganol serum. I will show you the shade. I will apply it on the back of my hand, and I will show you the texture, how easily it goes inside my skin, and it looks completely natural. It is a complete match to my skin tone. Now here is a lipstick from Sugar in the shade Brink of Pink. I will swatch it. There was this lady who was waving my products, so I made that face. So here is the swatch of the lipstick. It is amazing. Now this is the sheet marks, as I already said, from Face Shop, Rice Riz. And here is a bag from Daily Objects which contained all of these products. Here is the video of me unboxing the surprise kit from Foxy Famous. I hope you will like the video, and I will use all of these products, and once I'm done I will upload a video where I will review all of these products which has been sent to me by Foxy. And I must say I am in complete love with all of these products.